social influence and cultural acceptance. Social norms and cultural acceptance shape trust in technology. Technologies that align with societal values and expectations are more likely to gain trust. For instance, social media platforms have become integral to modern communication despite concerns over privacy, demonstrating how cultural acceptance influences technological trust. Transparency and accountability. Trust in technology is bolstered by transparency and accountability in its development, deployment, and governance. Ethical guidelines, regulatory frameworks, and industry standards contribute to trust by ensuring technologies are used responsibly and ethically. Psychological comfort and familiarity. Familiarity breeds trust in technology. As people become more accustomed to using certain technologies, they develop a comfort level that enhances trust. User-friendly interfaces and intuitive design also contribute to psychological comfort, reducing anxiety and skepticism. Human trust in advanced technology is a multifaceted phenomenon influenced by various factors including functionality, reliability, social impact, psychological comfort, and cultural perceptions. This trust has evolved over centuries, driven by human needs, innovations, and societal changes. This essay explores the reasons why humans trust advanced technology, delving into historical, psychological, and sociological perspectives. Utility and functionality. Advanced technology often provides tangible benefits and enhances human capabilities. From medical advancements like MRI machines to everyday conveniences like smartphones, technology fulfills practical needs and improves quality of life. Trust in technology stems from its ability to consistently deliver desired outcomes, making tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. Reliability and predictability. Trust in technology is also rooted in its reliability. Technologies that consistently perform as expected build credibility over time. For example, transportation technologies such as airplanes have rigorous safety protocols and maintenance checks, which contribute to their perceived reliability and safety. Safety and security. Advanced technology plays a crucial role in enhancing safety and security. Surveillance systems, cybersecurity measures, and disaster management technologies provide reassurance and mitigate risks. Trust in these technologies is reinforced when they effectively protect individuals and communities from harm.